Hi bazala bami zitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami zitho, it's about Unaledi aphiwe guys. Unaledi aphiwe is trending again and engathi mina just feel now ukuthi engathi ukhona nje lo muntu lo obhizi emva kaNaledi because Unaledi njalo makathatha kuveza nje the bad side of her, akuvezi ukuthi impi kahle kahle icale kuphi. So today uDJ Andile decided ukuthi poste ukuthi uaphiwe uyamukoleta, so uthi uNaledi yamkoleta yena uye ku-gig noNaledi, uNaledi azange azambhadale guys. I'll put the voice note whereby bakhuluma khona, then I'll come back guys.
Ukuthi sisilweni bakunika imali musiloku bangisicefe musiloku bangisicefe lo ufuna ukuduma kabi musiloku lo ngoba utshela indaba zakho mina rapist enkulu samsumenja ungazobhapha wena ungazobhapha wena ungalinge nje lo ufuna ukutrenda ungazobhapha wena ngoba uzosuka uthende wena uzothenda manje ke ungazobhapha wena ungazoqina nje ungazobhapha nje ungalinge nje lokuzobhapha la ngoba uqala une-record elidi kabi nje musilowu lokuposta angifunikiwe imali ufunani musilowu ufuna ukutrenda kabi ngoba uzosuka utrende ngokuthi wena uyire musukuphapha ungafuni nje ukuyidonsela amanzi ngomsele musukuphapha ungakhohlwa-ke nokuya eklinikhi yokuthi ifayili lakho-ke
Sibukwa ke Andile wadlala ne cause vele bekhona kuleyo ndawo ukuthi le number yami ngisebenzisa like I had conversation yayo yonke into bengine conversation yayo yonke into yabo ukuthi angisenayo le number senishintshile number yabo yonke leyo nto leyo. Okay Andile ngambuza futhi kusuka kumina nakhona like umnika nje imali umjabulisa imali yebo umjabulisa nje cause ngathi umuntu onihanga. Okay fine. Andile mfethu ngathanda ukuthi nginikeni yebo. Okay Andile, okay ngisesikoleni kwi-camp bese esikoleni kwi-camp, so mangisikoleni kwi-camp kwamele ngibuyele esikoleni ne kumele ngibuyele esikoleni and then yabo okay fine ke ngabuyela esikoleni because kwakuyi-camp bekuDecember besihlala phakathi esikoleni. Mina bengiphuma ngoba ngine-gig ongiphuma ngoba kubalulekile nje yabo kumele ngiphume besingavumelekile ukuthi siphume. Okay emva lapho ngabanike ekhaya imali nami ngathenga izinto ezincane zokudla phakathi esikoleni. Ngambuza Andile ngathi Andile ungathanda ukuthi ngikunikeni ngoba desinishilo ngoba Andile umuntu onihanga, umuntu nje onihanga. Kwenzeka iqhaqaqa phakathi kwami noAndile engingeze ngikwazi ukuzisho but kwenzeka iqhaqaqa la kwanginyanyisa wangicika like wangicika mina ngifuni ukukhuluma back, angithanda ukukhuluma angingize ngikwazi futhi kum-expose angeke ngizothula iziphele mayiphela lento le mina ngeke ngize ngi-expose angifuni yabo. Okay wathi seyenzile leyo nto Andile ke okay ngimtshele WhatsApp yabo andingijwayela kabi yabo Andile kanje emva lapho ngathi ngiyosayithola le mali, that's it ngiyosayithola kwayona le mali ngoba uyahlala ilokho kube sezobuya manje uyazi ukuthi wenzani uyakwazi ukuthi wenzani Andile uyazi ukuthi wenzani angafuni ukuthi ngize ngikhulume uyazi ukuthi wenzani Andile angafuni ukuthi ngikhulume angifuni ukuthi le ndaba le iziye kude ne angifuni ukuthi iziye kude kuzobe indaba enkulu I know because yeah Yeah, ilokho nje. Mina bengengize ngikhokhe imali. Na, ayikho mina imali ezophuma ephaketheni la. Ilokho nje. Ayikho imali khona. Ayikho imali ezophuma mina ephaketheni lami. Mhlawumbe sengaphuma kwi-team yami ngenxa yokuthi bafuna ukuklearisha ama-rumors and everything. For the sake of isibuko, yabo. But mina ayikho imali ezophuma. Ayikho imali ezophuma. Ayikho imali ezophuma. Ngiyaxolisa nje ukusho lokho. Ayikho imali ezophuma. Ayikho imali ezophuma nje ezosuka mina iyo andi. Elokho. Ngiyabonga. Wathi istory senizwile. Mina ayikho imali ezophuma. Ziningi ngabe izinto kumele ngizenze. Ziningi izinto kumele ngizenze. Ziningi ngabe nje. Ziningi izinto kumele ngizenze. Ziningi ngabe izinto kumele ngizenze. Ziningi. Ziningi nje. Afune ngiyizwa imali yami.
Bazala bamzilo ezinganizwile ukuthi uNaledi uthi yena ireason yenza ukuthi azadelele uDJ and athi kuthiwa angabhadala is because uDJ kuthiwa bahamba bonke baya ku-gig and after that gig or on that gig uDJ wabamba uNaledi ngendlela engekho right guys. So uNaledi because ingakho nalapha makamthuka athi uhambe ubheka ama-RKCs wakho, that means wambamba ngendlela engekho right. uNaledi wathi no cause wena wathi makathi amkhuza zangamameli wamtsho okay nale malakho anyeke usayithola ngoba uyayeyisa. It's not ukuthi nje vele bangazimiselanga ukumbhadala. And uNaledi said ukuthi even now they paid uDJ but uDJ remove those post ukuthi athi uNaledi uyamdelela nanani, even the voice note. And if you can see i-voice note iveza la uNaledi athukana khona, ayivezi where the conversation iqala khona. There's no way ukuthi umuntu angavela. So I don't know whether niyamkhulumela uNaledi or I just feel as if baveze umahlazo kaNaledi out there nje, they just wanna destroy icareer kaNaledi. This kid guys usesemncane uceda uphuma manje ka-grade 12. What we must do as a country mele simprotecte simkhulise, not ukuthi simdestroy. I don't believe in destroying abantwana. I mean like Namtana uzamela impilo and she is very talented, to be honest. She is very talented. So for ukuthi uDJ uzovele afake that voice note there, I don't think into right bangayenza, knowing so well ukuthi impi yabi iqalele and knowing uAphiwe bekazi ukuthi umuntu uNaledi uzovele asho ukuthi what really happened between bona boyi-two, but he got paid now but akasafuna ukususa ama-post where la wapostile ukuthi uNaledi uyamkoleta, but according to ama-post la uDJ wapostile uthi they paid half, they promised to pay another half today guys. So I don't know mina ukuthi abantu why mabacabana mabasebenza bethu mabacabana they'll bring those things on social media. I don't know why. Angazi bafuna ukuthi abantu ku social media balwe impi zabo or what, especially when we know ukuthi nawe wrong. So now uDJ uzoduma ngokuthi uhlukumeza abantu ngokucansi, and I don't think ukuthi ukhona umuntu osazombuka because we know ukuthi South Africa R in HPV, it's a very serious thing guys. It's a very serious thing, and looking at the stats into yenze kanjalo. So I don't think ukhona any club or anyone who will work with someone odumela lento, if you get me guys. But so please do comment down below and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Inithanda ukuya nokubuya.